Is your Subaru Legacy constantly dropping its Apple CarPlay connection while you drive? Statistically, 80% of these connectivity headaches trace back to a worn-out or non-certified USB cable. Let us break down how to troubleshoot this system systematically. Start by swapping your cable, clearing out phone port debris, and verifying your iPhone is fully updated. If the basics fail, you might be looking at a loose port or outdated Starlink software. Try forgetting the device from your Subaru settings and performing a soft reset on the infotainment screen. Most fixes are DIY, but internal wiring or head unit failures belong in the shop. As this chart shows, the overwhelming majority of issues are solved by simply replacing the cable. Check for TSBs related to your specific model year and test all available USB ports in the cabin. Keep a non-conductive pick and compressed air ready for safe port cleaning. Remember, don't tear apart your dash until you have verified the basics. Thanks for watching and keep your Subaru running smooth.